We'll be reviewing how to refund a ticket. So first, let's go ahead and create a ticket. So I'm going to put in a client and I'm going to add a couple items to the ticket. Okay, and just add a couple more. Okay, so we'll go ahead and select payment. I'm going to go ahead and do a cash payment, but we'll also review how to do a other payments. So if I go ahead and click issue refund from a completed ticket, you can go here and you can select the specific items to refund. You can also do partial refunds by only select inputting a part, like if it was originally 20 and you just want to refund 10 of it, you can update that amount. You can also note if you're planning to restock the item. So typically we won't restock items that are returned, but maybe they didn't leave your site or you do want to return them to the stock. And if you select those options, that will update your on-hand numbers for inventory if you plan to restock it. And then here it's going to show the total refund amount. And in here you'll just select, you'll put in that amount and then go ahead and select the worker who refunded the item. So this is ticket number 13950. So I just want to reference that for later. And then I'll go ahead and click save. So that is how to refund an item from the completed ticket area. You'll notice that the items that were deducted will be noted there. Everything's in a negative value. Another way to refund an item is to go to your checkout list and you can refund by client name. So if I search for Sasha and click generate, it will show me her tickets for today. So this was the ticket that we originally rung up, and then I can select that and refund that way. But I'm going to go ahead and search for this ticket number because that's another way. So if I go back to my checkout list and then I go to refund by ticket number, I can search by ticket number and find it that way. If it had a service or product related to it, I can go to the client card under services and I can click on the original ticket and I could also issue the refund from there. So there's a few ways to arrive at this screen. Once a ticket has been refunded, you'll notice this is the ticket we refunded. There's little R's next to the items that got refunded. So those cannot be refunded, but I can refund the other items on the ticket. And then again, the total amount to refund. And I would go ahead and select or input that amount and select the worker who was doing the refund and click save. Now, if I did have a Clover or credit card style type payment, if it was related to credit card processing, and I go ahead to click save, what it will do is it will pop up and it will ask me to perform the refund and provide the steps to how to do that through, let's say, Clover, and then it would walk you through that, and then I would go ahead and hit save again. So it will provide you those steps on how to do that. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.